We're demonstrating today a selfie stick, 360 degrees rotatable phone. It is a selfie stick that can be opened up through the bottom, is held on secured, and is adjustable up to 52 plus inches. It has a smart remote control, a shutter remote control. It could be placed down on the ground, so you can do your selfie portraits like so. And what we're going to be doing is showing you what this product is for and about. Let's demonstrate how this product works. Turning the remote on by the switch, Bluetooth connection, your shutter button, camera, video. Opening up Bluetooth for selfie, pair, connected. With the photo, snapping takes a picture. Double pressing takes a picture. Sliding over to video and pressing starts the video. This is a shutter button. Turn off for the next time ready for use. Place back into its cradle. Lock into place. Close down. Fully extended and opened up. The aluminum bar measures from tip to tip 52 and a quarter. Adjustable to any height up to 52 inches. With the clips opening on each end and adjustable for your phone, spring loaded. Grab your phone, place in with its casing and all. And lockable with the thumb bolt. It's a 360 degree swivel up and down like so. Take video forward, photos, back, selfies, the selfie stick as far out as your hand can go. Placing on the table is simply opening up securely the legs and adjusting down and up your phone. The legs open up in a diameter of roughly about 8 inches or more. The minimum height of the selfie stick opened up is 15.5. Adjustable for low angle, sailing shots, like so. This is your selfie stick for your smartphone needs, for your entertainment, video, photo, time lapses, and more. Enjoy your product if this is what you are looking for. Thank you for viewing.